Okay, just showing you guys that I'm building out my containment right now. Just blocking off this room right here, this bathroom. Going to build out my containment right here and along this rail all the way to the wall. Put my containment zipper right there. All right, gonna get in the attic here shortly. Okay, I just want to let everybody know that I'm just out of the attic. I took off my tieback suit, my full face respirator. I'm like drenched in sweat, so beard is wet. But anyway, I just want to say I'm going to take another picture, or actually a video of the OxyPrep and what it did. This stuff right here is freaking amazing. Within like less than 30 seconds, maybe 20 seconds, I saw the mold like disappear. Hopefully you guys can see that in the video. I treated the whole attic, but I'm gonna cool off, get some water, suit back up, and then take another video and kind of show you guys what we're looking at. All right. All right, guys, here's the final result. Whew, I'm hot. Hopefully I can get all that in there for you. It smells great. All right, folks, I just wanted to post a video about the attic job that I posted in the group. I just want to let you guys know that that job took 3 hours and a little over 18 minutes. So setting up containment, getting all the supplies in there on the second level, setting up containment, HEPA vacuuming, and doing the OxyPrep. So I had to write down everything that I've used in the past. So that's RMR 86, MMR, On and Gone, Concrobium, Mold Armor, Fiberlock 1000, 2000, Serum 1000, 2000, Benefect Botanical Decon 30, that's that, BHP. So I've used all those products, but with OxyPrep, there was no guessing at all. It like disappeared within like, you guys saw the video, and like 40 seconds, maybe less. I didn't time it. But I've used all these products because I had to write them down. There were so many that I've used. But with these products that you see, they just can't compare to OxyPrep. But I also want to mention that when I use OxyPrep, I use SorbAssist. And then the homeowner came, well, not the homeowner, the realtor came by, and he was like astounded. He was like, "What is that smell?" And I was like, "Well, it's an additive that I add to my product." And he was like, "It smells wonderful. I actually have a showing next week. This is going to be great in this $1.2 million home up in the mountains." So at the end of it, he was like, "Hey, can you like fog homes with this stuff?" So I told him, "Yeah, maybe we could do that. Let me just do some more research." So Mark, Joe, Dad, that's a question maybe you can answer in the Facebook feed. This guy, he focuses on $1 million homes. So from this point on, from this video, I'm going to be using OxyPrep and Enviroguard products from now on. The anxiety level is way down here. I don't have to guess. So if you guys have any questions, just reach out to me. I know a lot of you have my number, and just give me a call. All right, guys. Looking forward to using more of this product and post some more pictures, more videos. I'm going to be doing another mold job in an attic. It's going to be twice as big. I'll do the same thing before, after videos, so you can see like what I'm doing. All right. Talk to you guys later. Thanks.